to know it now. There's a path beneath your feet that will show you how. Take a breath and slow it down. Let the silence speak out loud. Every answer starts to form when you allow. One step at a time, you'll be just fine. Every move you make leads you to a sign. You don't need the end, just begin again. Answers come to you, step by step within. Step by step within. There's a rhythm in the pace of the way your life unfolds. Not a race you need to win, just a road to hold. When you trust the next small move, you will see a clearer view. Every step reveals the truth that's meant for you. Let it come, don't force the way. What you need will find its place in the quiet, and now you are safe. One step at a time, you are in your climb. Every little shift is by design. You don't need to rush, there's no need to push. Answers come to you when you